Deploying an Ethereum smart contract with Nodejs isn't hard. All you need is the basic knowledge of Nodejs, an Ethereum wallet on MetaMask, and an Infura IO account. Start by creating a new Ethereum project in Infura IO. Then change the endpoint from mainnet to Rinkeby. The Rinkeby network allows us to deploy contracts without spending real Ethereum. If you don't have any Ethereum tokens on the Rinkeby network, go to Faucet's Chainlink/Rinkeby, fill out and submit the form. This will give you some Ethereum on the Rinkeby network. Copy these commands to the terminal. These commands will create a new directory with a new NPM project. Install these dependencies. Web3 is a library that interacts with the Ethereum network. Solc is a Solidity compiler. And Truffle connects our Ethereum wallet to the Web3 library. I'm going to create a very basic Solidity contract. I'm going to call it mycontract.sol. It doesn't do anything interesting. It's just a basic Solidity smart contract for us to deploy. Copy these require statements into a new JavaScript file and save this file as deploy.js. These 2 lines of code are creating an instance of the Web3 library using our Ethereum account. This line of code reads the mycontract.sol file as a string. The const content is our entire smart contract file as a string. The input object contains the configuration for the Solidity compiler. Notice we are taking the entire mycontract.sol file as a string and passing it into this input object. The last piece of code is the deploy function. This function will take the string of your smart contract and compile it into bytecode. Then deploy the bytecode to the Rinkeby Ethereum network using your Ethereum account. When it's complete, it will log out the address of your smart contract. Last step, add your Infura.io Rinkeby endpoint and add your seed phrase for your Ethereum account. Execute your deploy.js file. After a few seconds, you will see the address of your smart contract. Please like and subscribe. I really hope this helped you out deploying your very first smart contract.